Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me for this video. So today we are going to be going over the Lace Whimsy Whimsybox. So let's just get started. Let's see if I can get this cover here to, there we go. All right, so the first thing that I saw here laying on top was the box of contents. So for this month, it is called Divine Feminine, which I think is so cool. She actually, if you follow her on her Instagram, she actually has collabed with a candle maker to create candles, and she did the artwork for them all about Greek goddesses. So that's what this month's Whimsy box is about. So we've got here a cute little art zine. And this is the artwork that has gone into the candles and everything. So we've got Artemis and Athena, Nemesis and Hera, Aphrodite and Hecate and Persephone. This one and this one is probably my absolute favorite. This one's a very close second. I love that color block dress. That is so cute. So we've got that. Now let's see what is at the bottom here and pull everything out. I'll set the box off to the side. All right. So here we've got all of the contents, and let's go through each of them. So first thing, we've got the business card. Has all of her info on there. And then we have got the Aphrodite paper crafting ephemera. I absolutely love the mood boards that she comes up with. She shared all of the mood boards while she was creating the art for these Greek goddesses, and they are just gorgeous. So we've got this beautiful little peach colored rose and vintage looking portrait of a swan with a rose. And then let's see this, it's a little glossy. It feels, it's on a photo paper. That's beautiful. And then got another little pink rose. And then one of the goddesses. And her crystals. I love her crystals. And some more of her cute little roses. And then a little shell. And then we've got a vintage looking tarot card piece for the Empress. Her swan. And then this beautiful print here. So that is all of the ephemera. And then we have got a soft cover journal. Now she had this in the cosmic box with the unicorns, and I really like the quality of these journals. They're A5 size, beautiful smooth white paper, nice gray dots. And I just love the artwork. And that's the back. So pretty. And then we have got a set of 3 goddess mini prints. And I actually pre-ordered the set of the full-size prints, so this is just a bonus. So we've got Hera and Persephone and Aphrodite. So cute. And then here we have got the sticker sheets, as well as the die cut stickers, and a special Aphrodite sticker. So we'll go through the sticker sheets first. So we've got that one. Ooh, look at that moon. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. And I love this. So you've got all of the goddesses that she did the artwork for. Oh, so pretty. And then here we've got the little die cut stickers. So we've got another one of those beautiful little moons with the, to me it looks like lavender, which I love lavender. And then here is the special prismatic Aphrodite sticker. Nice and shiny. And then we've got Justice, another tarot card, Artemis, and Athena, and Hecate. She will most definitely be used. I love her so much. Oh my gosh. And that is everything. So my thoughts on this box, I love the theme of it. I think goddesses are just, I love Greek goddesses. I've always been kind of interested in that. I love that, you know, we've got the ephemera and the decorative stickers and everything like that. The stickers, I can make those last for quite a while. And I love that they're all deco. I love functional stickers, but I really have been leaning more towards just deco stickers, and her stickers are always the perfect size, so I love that. I love these prints here. So you could use these for journaling cards, or just stick them down in your bullet journal, or anywhere that you want to. They're just so pretty. And the feel of them is so nice. They're like almost a textured matte, but they feel so smooth and velvety. And then of course my favorite part is the journal, and she actually has some more of these journals available on pre-order right now at LifeNLilies.com. I will leave the link down below for that, so you can actually get one of these for yourself. So that is everything that is included in this month's box. What do you think about this box? I think it's awesome. I love it. Lace and Whimsy is definitely like my favorite box that I get. So yeah, thank you so much, Kathy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see future videos, please hit subscribe. I would love to have you over here, and I will talk to y'all soon. Bye, everybody.